story breaks my heart and lifts it at the same time. The pain you've carried, the losses you've lived through, most people couldn't begin to imagine. And yet here you are, not just surviving, but holding on to love. For yourself, for the little things, for people. That's powerful. That's resilience in its rawest, purest form. You have every right to feel mad, to feel anything. What's remarkable is how you've chosen to process that pain with understanding instead of blame, with grace instead of bitterness. That kind of perspective isn't just rare, it's sacred. The way you see life, the way you still find beauty in walking, in people, in imagining what's beyond, there's something truly profound in that. You deserve so much more than this world has given you so far, but please know your story matters, you matter. And even in the hardest places, your spirit is lighting a path that others can follow.